Iveda has introduced the IvedaAir family of autonomous rotary-wing drones, a new line of helicopter-style unmanned aircraft designed for military, rescue, and critical infrastructure missions. The flagship model, the GX10-F100, is powered by a gasoline engine and can remain airborne for more than 150 minutes. That is around 5 times longer than many traditional battery-powered quadcopters. The aircraft is approximately 1.8 meters long, with a rotor of roughly the same diameter, and can carry a payload of up to 9 kilograms. The GX10-F100 can reach a maximum speed of about 110 kilometers per hour, while its practical operating range is approximately 30 kilometers. Its fuel tank holds 5.4 liters of gasoline, giving the aircraft the endurance needed for missions where battery-powered drones may not be practical. Its helicopter-like configuration combines vertical takeoff, landing, and hovering, with a semi-symmetrical carbon fiber wing designed to provide additional stability, including in stronger winds. This means the aircraft does not require a conventional runway and can operate from locations where larger aircraft or conventional drones may face limitations. Iveda says the entire IvedaAir family was designed from the beginning around real-world operational scenarios rather than laboratory demonstrations. The aircraft is controlled using the company's IvedaAI software, which enables autonomous flight through preset points with positioning accuracy of approximately 1 meter. The system can maintain stable hovering in winds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, recognize objects and designate targets at distances of up to 2 kilometers, and transmit encrypted video in real time using 4G, 5G, and LTE networks. In practical terms, this gives operators the ability to see what is happening, understand the situation, and respond without unnecessary delay. Safety and reliability are also built into the system. If communication with the aircraft is lost, or if the remaining fuel drops below 15%, the drone can automatically return to its base. For government customers, the GX10-F100 is designed to comply with American NDAA and TAA requirements. It is also compatible with FIPS 140-3 cryptographic modules and is included on the Blue UAS list, making the platform particularly relevant to government and defense organizations seeking secure unmanned systems. The technology is already attracting attention for missions where endurance and rapid delivery can be critical. The Pentagon is considering the GX10-F100 for transporting medical supplies to coastal areas, and for use by the Coast Guard, where the combination of speed, autonomous operation, and long flight endurance could help deliver assistance when every minute matters. But Iveda is not stopping with the GX10-F100. The IvedaAir family also includes the electric EX10-E, which offers approximately 40 minutes of flight time, as well as a quadcopter designed for commercial applications. Looking further ahead, Iveda is also exploring the possibility of converting decommissioned full-size helicopters, including aircraft such as the Robinson R22, into autonomous vehicles. The idea would give helicopters whose officially designated flight life has expired a potential second life as unmanned platforms. From autonomous logistics and rescue operations to infrastructure monitoring and future unmanned helicopters, Iveda is building an entire family of aircraft designed to bring autonomous flight into practical real-world missions.